Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. One of the funnest things that our family has added into our routine is to add puzzles. We leave it out on the kitchen table and we just all take turns doing a puzzle over about a month or so. And we love this one that we got from White Mountain Puzzles. This is I Love Georgia. Now, no one in our home is from Georgia. However, the puzzle itself has lots of great details and it's just really, really fun to do these puzzles. To show you how simple it was, we have a layout on our kitchen table. Here is the structure of the pieces, just so you know. So this is a 1,000-piece puzzle, and each one is about this size in my hand. And this just provided just a great challenge for everybody in our family. My daughter joins in, and it just adds in just the right amount of challenge so that it's fun, but at the same time, you feel like the puzzle is completely doable. So we love this one from White Mountain Puzzles. I Love Georgia, lots of fun colors. Definitely added in a little bit to our history education that we do as a homeschool family as well. And that's my point of view.